Here we have a 2022 one owner +4 with the BMW B48 engine. It's on alloys, has red wing piping, finished in Morgan dark silver. Mohair hood frame cover, obviously some visors, painted dashboard, leather console, finished in red leather. The red doesn't represent very well on videos and photos, it's actually slightly darker than how you see it. Black piping, sort of contrast stitching, which is with a diamond quilt. Clear indicator lenses, luggage rack preparation. It's done 4,200 miles, resupplied the car new. Manual version with the 6-speed gearbox. These always look good on the alloy wheels, very Lamborghini-ish from the 1960s. 250 brake horsepower, so these go as well as the previous Roadster from the traditional range. Lovely on fuel, amazing at the fuel consumption you can get with these. I've certainly returned around the 50 mpg going to the Morgan factory and back. The MOG plate is staying on the car. Available for Allon Sports Cars 01234 750 205, and thank you for viewing.